Here's another Chinese restaurant favorite that you will surely love. Kayang-kaya na to gawin sa bahay, ang salt and pepper spare ribs. Let's start cooking! So ito, I have spare ribs. Ito, no? Cut into pieces. Ito siya mga 1.5 to 2 inches by 1 inch. Yan. Machine cut. Request mo na sa butcher mo to cut it for you. No? So ito, I will start off with seasoning it with salt and baking soda. So, we're using salt and baking soda to start to season our spare ribs para maging tender ito. Ito yung sekreto natin. Instead na pakuluan natin yung ating spare ribs, ang magpapalambot sa kanya ay ang baking soda. But not too much, no? Kasi pag sobra naman ng baking soda, nagiging mapait. But you have to do this ahead of time. Siguro an hour ahead. Mix natin siya. And now, let us add more flavor to this. So we have chicken powder or whatever seasoning you please. Soy sauce. Sugar, a bit of sugar. Massage natin. Massage. Be sure to wash your hands properly. Yan. Yan. An egg white. Yan. Mix natin. Black pepper. And you can also add a bit of 5-spice powder. So, very simple lang yung ating mixture. Again, dapat malinis yung kamay natin, ha? Yan. And we will add our cornstarch. I will add half of my cornstarch muna, just to coat it lightly, and the rest we will use for dusting, no? Light dusting. So, ayaw naman natin yung ating spare ribs na sobrang kapal ng ating butter. Yan, no? It's good enough. Yan. So, kung masyadong dry yung ating mixture, you can add a bit of water, no? So, we want a very light butter, no? Yan. Mix natin. Namasahin na natin siya ng maayos. Now, we will be ready to fry. Ang ating pan has been heated. And now, we fry. Yan. Siguro 2 batches itong ating ito-fry. Don't overcrowd your pan. Kasi pag too much ilagay mo, bababa yung temperature ng ating oil. And it will not be crispy anymore. It's going to be greasy. So, pwede mo din gawin dito ay double fry, no? So, you fry it 2 times. So, you'll add 2 more pieces and we will be okay. Diba? Napansin nyo ba yung ating recipe walang bawang? Dahil later on, we will make a very nice garlic butter. Then just simply season with salt and pepper. Yun talaga ang magdadala dito. Very important, maluto natin ng maayos ang ating pork na cooked inside, juicy and crispy on the outside, and very malinamnam with our salt and pepper, garlic, and chilies. Yan. In the meantime, let's prepare our butter sauce. Yan. Konti lang, no? Ito pang pakulay lang to. It's not really an important ingredient. In fact, it is optional. Ito siya, lalagyan din natin ng bell pepper, red bell pepper for color. Pero lalagyan din natin ng siling labuyo. The labuyo will give it its spiciness, no? So, konti lang yung ating bird's eye chili. Pero yung marami dito, yung ating green and red bell pepper. So, if you want this to be less spicy, just wash your chili and remove the seeds. Kasi ang seeds naman yung nagpapaanghang. I'm just using 2. That's good enough. And I'm going to dice this red bell peppers. Konting-konti. Ganda na ng kulay ng aking spare ribs. So, very important. Pareho nga siya ng size. So, para sabay-sabay siya maluto. Hindi yung isa luto, ang isa hilaw. Diba? This one is just to give it a nice color for presentation. Masarap din to with sweet and sour sauce. Pero pwede din yung sweet chili sauce mo. Dip mo lang siya on the side. No? That's that, our green and red bell peppers with our bird's eye chili. Let's check, beautiful spare ribs, no? Konti pa. Be sure it's really cooked. Malalaman mo na siya pag luto na siya. Kasi nakita mo yung bubbles niya, lumiliit at saka medyo lumulutang, gumagaan na yung ating pork ribs. Very nice, no? At luto na yung ating first batch and we will continue cooking the rest of our spare ribs. So, yan pa lang, nakakatakam na, di ba? So, ang key, for example, ito, di ba, nagluluto tayo, nagpa-fry tayo dito. Before natin ilagay yung second batch natin, ang kailangan mong gawin ay painitin muna ulit yung ating oil, no? Or else, you're going to drop your pork or anything you're frying in oil na hindi tama yung cooking temperature. So, hindi siya magiging crispy. So, tatabi natin yan. Tatabi na natin muna tong ating hot oil, but before that, kukuha ko ng konti. Just a little bit. Yan. We will make our simple garlic butter. So, before pa uminit yung aking oil, I will add my garlic, our minced garlic. Hindi pa mainit yung oil natin, ha? Kasi we want to fry this and toast it a little bit, no? Kasi pag medyo mainit yung oil natin, ano mangyayari? Masusunog siya. And that is not the intention. We don't want to burn our garlic. We want it toasted lang, no? Medyo crisp but not bitter, no? So, you have to mix that constantly. Once your garlic begins turning brown, a little bit no sa edges, mabilis na yan masunog. So, bantay-bantay ka talaga. You don't want that to happen. So, ito talaga, very keen eye on what you are doing. Now, you notice, makikita nyo ba? Medyo beginning to change color yung ating garlic. Kaya, nakaabang na yung aking chilies dito and aking peppers. So, I'm using here, as I said kanina, pinakita ko sa inyo, ang aking red chilies and mixed red and green bell peppers. Kung gusto mong mas spicy, pwede ka din magdagdag ng chili flakes. Optional, it's really up to you. Now, to give it that nice, umami, ang ating butter. Yan. So, hindi pwede yung butter unahin na. You start with the oil dahil masusunog din yung butter agad at hindi maging crispy yung ating garlic. Yan. Look at that, no? Ito talaga yung magko-coat sa ating spare ribs. Iba yung ginagamit dito, yung margarine, no? Yung amoy na amoy, yung lasang-lasa. Yan. So, it's really up to you what you prefer. Yan. So, for here, I am using just unsalted butter kasi we will finish it with a nice sprinkle of salt and pepper. Yan! It's done. It's time. Lalagyan natin yung ating ribs. Woo! Woo! Yan, no? Beautiful. Look at that. Coat, coat, coat. And now is the time you will sprinkle with your salt. Kapit na kapit si salt. Pepper. Pwede din to sa chicken. Toss, toss, toss. Pwede din beef. And because properly seasoned and marinated yung ating ribs, pati sa loob, malinamnam. And let's arrange here. Look at that. Ang bango. Pwede din to, no? Kung meron kang salted egg powder, you add salted egg. So, magiging salted egg spare ribs to. Such a delicious dish that you can make at home. Diba? Simple lang. Ngayon, lalagay na natin yung ating melted butter with our garlic and our chilies. Chinese restaurant na talaga. Look at that. Ako natatakam na ako dito. And let's taste. Ito, plain muna as is. Lambot, ha? Juicy, ha? Sarap ng spice. Sa totoo lang, ito na yung isa sa pinakamasarap ko na tikman sa 2024. Kakasimula lang eh. Pero ito na yung pinakamasarap. O, di ba? Fair to say, fair try this recipe at home kasi sigurado akong mapapawaw din kayo. Sobrang dali, pero restaurant quality at home. Uy, kaya nyo yan. Basta Simpol. Sa sobrang sarap niya, muntik ko nang makalimutan ang pangalan niya. Ito ang ating masarap at simple na recipe. Oh my God! Salt and pepper spare ribs. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!